White House Easter Egg Roll 2024 Festive Family Celebration with President Trump. In a delightful celebration of spring and family, President Donald Trump opened the doors of the White House on Monday to welcome tens of thousands of visitors for the annual Easter Egg Roll. With the skies overcast, he humorously noted that no one had to worry about getting sunburned, and he took a moment to express his gratitude to the National Park Service for making the grounds look so spiffy. More than 40,000 eager participants were expected to join in the fun. "Happy Easter to everyone," the president exclaimed from the White House balcony, flanked by First Lady Melania Trump and a cheerful Easter Bunny mascot. "It was a beautiful day yesterday, and it's a beautiful day today. We don't have to worry about sunburn, but it looks like it's not going to rain." As the festivities kicked off, the President and First Lady made their way to the egg roll area, where Trump blew a shiny gold whistle, adorned with the presidential seal, to signal the start of the races. The couple also took time to visit a special station, where children wrote heartfelt cards to service members. Later, Melania captivated young listeners by reading the charming story Bunny with a Big Heart, which tells the tale of a forgetful rabbit who learns the importance of kindness while recovering from an injury. Children wielding wooden spoons raced to guide hard-boiled eggs dyed in vibrant shades of pink, blue, yellow, and green across the lawn. The excitement was palpable, as some kids opted to lob their eggs into the air rather than roll them, and at least one wooden spoon took flight in the chaos. Among the participants were some of Trump's grandchildren, adding a personal touch to the day's events. A special station was set up to promote the upcoming 250th anniversary of America's founding, where kids and their families could sign a mini Declaration of Independence, or dress up as founding fathers. The day was filled with a variety of activity stations, live performances, and engaging story times, ensuring that there was something for everyone. Trump took a moment to give a heartfelt, special thank you to Melania for her efforts in organizing the event. "I also want to thank the National Park Service," he added. "The job they do in making everything so beautiful and spiffy is incredible. I can be quite difficult when it comes to that, but they have truly done an amazing job. Just look around." The American Egg Board, a longtime participant in the Easter Egg Roll, generously donated 30,000 hand-dyed eggs for the occasion. Emily Metz, the board's president and CEO, acknowledged the challenges faced by egg farmers and consumers due to the recent egg shortage caused by avian flu. She assured that the 2,500 dozen eggs provided to the White House were smaller sizes not typically sold in stores, ensuring they wouldn't contribute to the ongoing supply issues. "You can't have Easter without eggs, and you can't have the White House Easter Egg Roll without real eggs," Metz emphasized. In his brief remarks, Trump also touched on topics beyond Easter, mentioning recruitment successes for the military and first responders, and noted that religion is coming back to America. The Easter Egg Roll is a cherished tradition at the White House, dating back to 1878 during the presidency of Rutherford B. Hayes, who opened the lawn to children after Congress prohibited them from rolling eggs on the Capitol grounds. Tickets for this year's event were distributed through a lottery, making it a highly anticipated occasion for families across the nation.